welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the description down below, today we have our September 2019 lipstick junkie box. So before we get into this, I do want to remind you guys we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and that does end on the 22nd, so you still have time to enter. We also have ending on the 22nd as well the thrift bag where I chose to give the Bessie Johnson, it's a new backpack. So that giveaway is going on, and until like the first week of October, we have our makeup and skincare giveaway. So make sure you enter if you would like to win any of those 3 giveaways. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We always have a great time here. We do obviously unboxings, all kinds of unboxings. We do reviews, product hauls, like makeup hauls and stuff like that. We do live streams that are always a blast, tons of giveaways. We love doing giveaways here. So it's always a great time. So we'd love to have you. Now, lipstick junkie, let's get into it. So be bold, be daring, wear lipstick. Now it is an $18 a month subscription. And it says, we know how hard it is to find the right lipstick. Finding a fun color or a great brand is even harder. This is where we come in. Lipstick Junkie provides you with a curated box full of lip products that will allow you to step out of your comfort zone in the comfort of your own home. So it says we make it easy. You place the order and we'll supply the lipsticks. We ship out on the first week of every month, so order by the 5th of the month to guarantee shipping for that month. It does ship worldwide from the United States, and obviously it's going to renew every month until you cancel, but you can cancel at any time. Now, right now they are doing a special where you can get your first box for only $5. So like I said, it is normally $18 a month, but right now you can get your first box for only $5. So I will put a link to Lipstick Junkie down below. I do want to also say thank you to Lipstick Junkie for sending this to me to review. I greatly appreciate it. I think the box, first of all, is super, super cute. It is all fall-like and goes with my background. And it says, and all at once, summer collapsed into fall. Y'all, fall is my favorite time of year. So I'm all about the leaves and pumpkins and oranges and the oranges and yellows and just bring it on. So when we open it, we see here there is always a card. And we usually get 3 products every month. So, and that's what I'm seeing, unless something is hiding. So, hello, September. The first day of fall isn't until the end of the month. It's the 23rd, if I believe. But we decided to kick things off a little early in this month's box. The summer may be fading, but that doesn't mean your lips can't look as hot as they're used to. While fall colors may be a bit muted, we love being bold here at Lipstick Junkie, and we have some amazing shades we know you'll love. So it looks like we have 3 different products. So we will start with, let's see. So we have this right here. This is from Appeal Cosmetics. It's a gel liner in Desert Taupe. It is still wrapped up in the plastic, and I think I'm actually going to leave this in the plastic and put this aside for a giveaway because I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. We always want our customers to get the best bang for their buck, so when we can get our hands on some amazing multitasking products, we love to jump all over them. This is a new product from Appeal, and this amazing 2-in-1 gel liner for both your eyes and lips makes it perfect for those on-the-go touch-ups. Bonus points for this beautiful shade that's perfect for fall, and it's a $21 value. So yeah, I do. Now that I'm reading that and reading that you can use this as an eyeliner or a lip liner, I did get this in BoxyCharm, so this will be in a future giveaway for one of you guys. So again, $21 for that guy right there, already more than the regular cost of the box. So then, let's see, Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Lipstick in Weekend Zombie. I haven't heard of this brand before. Vegan, cruelty-free, no gluten, no fragrance, creamy matte lipstick. And this is $15. We're kicking things off with our bold color of the month, equipped with a high dose of lasting confidence, inducing color perfect to express your inner fire. This luxurious buildable formula helps transform your lips into a pout perfect, art ready to stay any occasion. To slay any occasion. I'm like, that doesn't sound right. To slay any occasion. So again, this is Folly Fire. I like the packaging. It's very sleek. Whoa! All right. So looking at this, I'm all like, okay, this is fall. This is probably going to be very similar to the color. You know, no, this must just be their packaging. Now I know why the name of this is Weekend Zombie. Whoa! So they weren't joking when they said the bold color. Now, this is not a color I will wear. I know that for a fact. I think the sound of this, as far as the way they describe the formula, and I love seeing that it's vegan, cruelty-free, no gluten, fragrance-free, and all of that. But I know I will not wear this color. So if one of you guys think that you will be, wearing this, look forward to the future giveaway, because like I said, I know I won't. I was honestly expecting something similar to the packaging, but either way, the formula does sound amazing. So if this is a color you think you would wear, it'll be in a future giveaway. And that is $15. And then our final product is $16, and this is from Mimi, if I'm saying that correctly, Makeup Matte Luxe Lipstick in Old Flame. Everyone say hello to our newest member of our lipstick family. Coming all the way from across the pond, we're extremely excited to feature these guys for the very first time. Old Flame coats lips with a luscious and beautiful bright red that grants a full-bodied, velvety color that is enriched with a subtle blend of oils to nourish and protect. We love this color, and so will you. So it says Old Flame, so I am guessing it is a red, which I have on already. Not this, but I have a red on. And this has some weight to it. Like, to be a lipstick, this has some weight. Oh, I'm having to... Well, it was ready to come on out of the box. I just opened the box and it's like popping out. Oh. That's interesting. So here's what it looks like. So yes, this is definitely a red. Thinking this is almost like an orangey red. I don't know if I want to swatch it, because I have another lipstick that's very similar to this color, and then I have this, like, that's a red, whereas like I said, this is kind of an orangey red. I mean, I think it is a gorgeous color, and like I said, this packaging is awesome. So you just, and then it like, oh, that's how you do it. Okay, I knew there had to be something to it. So there, it's closed, it's tight, it's in there, it's not going anywhere. Blonde moment. So, I'll probably put this in a future giveaway as well. A rich, long-wearing matte lipstick that offers high pigmentation with a moisturizing velvet matte finish. The Matte Luxe Lip Collection is designed to complement and enhance a wide range of complexions. It's cruelty-free and vegan, if I did not say so. So, I'm gonna put it back in the box that I tore. So, if you see this in a future giveaway and the box is torn, reference this video. So that was our September 2019 Lipstick Junkie. I think this is awesome. I mean, I really like that we got a liner And the Appeal Cosmetics liners are really great. Like I said, I actually have this one from a BoxyCharm, and I love that it is kind of like what they were saying, a 2-in-1, because you can use this for your eyes or your lips. This gorgeous red shade, which is obviously appropriate for fall and this time of year. And it seems like very, very high quality, and but because I have a color so similar, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it to the side to pass on to one of you guys. And then we got the Folly Fire creamy matte lipstick. Again, sounds amazing, cruelty-free, vegan, all that good stuff. But I know that I will not wear that shade. So I know that plenty of people will. So if one of you will, look for it, like I said, in a giveaway. So I really enjoyed this subscription. Like I said, I will put a link down below so you can check them out. And don't forget about the giveaways that we have going on. Also, leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts. What did you think of, the red, the zombie? And did you get this in a BoxyCharm? Do you like this product? Have you tried it? If not, like I said, look for it in a future giveaway. So again, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.